I really believe in you, creative. You want to know why? Because I had to learn to believe in myself after the worst possible things happened. As a lot of you know, I've had some pretty serious health problems. I've had mini strokes. I have chronic illness. And for a very long time, I really lost the ability to write at all. When I tell you that you can build a daily creation habit with a lot of words, with success, I'm telling you truly. And when I tell you that the way to do that means one tiny step at a time, one day at a time, not judging yourself, letting it be bad, I mean it. You are not required to make excellence every day. Excellence will happen, but you are required to create every day. As long as you do, it will all come together. This is a thing that humans do. We learn to do something and we get better at it as we go. That's just how we work. I really want you to keep going. I know it's hard. I know you're disheartened, but I promise you, a daily habit is there for you on the other side. Don't stop. You can do this. Sit down with me now and let's make something new.